Here are the ride vehicles that just look like cars from the film, obviously. No specific character from what I can see, because the characters are on the ride. Yeah. So hopefully we win. Here we go. Thank you. Excited. Nice relaxing drive through the country.
Yes.
Slow down. You're not racing yet. Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater! Howdy! Hey, Grace! It's gonna be fun! Hey, haven't done a tractor give me a little bit too. Just
Oh!
Empty. Probably just a bad spark plug. Yippee. Radiator Springs.
Why? To be fast?
You need to look fast. Good chow. Ramon!
Got wet.
Shiny paint don't win a race. Now get up there and enjoy it.
Get ready to race. Oh, we lost. Boo. Yeah, we lost. Oh, we didn't win.
Great race, everybody. But who won? We did, Mater. How you fit? Because we made new friends. We won. New friends, wait. Top will go. Daniel Cracker, kid will pick up Joe. Get to you later. I'm done.
Right, we are off at Radiator Springs. That was really good fun.
Despite what the picture may say otherwise.
Yeah, we will insert the picture. Bob's face doesn't look good because it's the pictures as you're going over the bumps.
My face
It
never
does
looks
make your
good.
stomach lurch a little bit.